In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Firelite PS Tools software. You just open your internet browser and just Google search Firelite, and then just click the first one, go to the Firelite website, and you're going to come up with this. You're going to go to support, and then you're going to come down to download panel software, and then you have these options here to download. So download PS Tools is the software itself, and you see it'll start downloading. It'll take a little bit, and then you also want to download each individual manual for the fire panels, the 5UD/10UD, the 9050, the 9200, and the 9600. That way you have all the information you need when you work on these panels. And then when you get finished, you'll get this PS Tools right here, which you can open up, and this will be what it looks like. And from there you can go ahead and do programming with your Firelight panel.